20 to 20.
The following is a winter weather warning message for the following counties in Maryland, Somerset, and Wycomico. Issued at 10:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Blizzard warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 12 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. The areas affected include Wycomico and Somerset counties. The hazardous winter weather conditions are expected from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. For the latest road conditions in Virginia or Maryland, please call 511. For the latest road information in North Carolina, go to http://travant.gov. Repeating, a blizzard warning remains in effect from 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday, and now includes the following counties in Maryland, Somerset, and Wycomico.